You can expect a lot from the 2011 Volkswagen Jetta. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has not yet reached the 20,000-mile mark. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined five-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. All of the premium features expected of a Volkswagen are offered, including a tachometer, a trip computer, heated seats, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Curtain airbags combined with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.